Welcome to another episode on our channel. I have a bust. This is going to be my only bust because the one bust I showed you guys I gave away to a friend. It's a Venom with Spider-Man in it. You saw it recently. But this one I got from Prime One Studios. There's a background story to it. I got this figure, my 1/4 scale figure, from Prime One Studios, made by Blitzway. It's my favorite 1/4 scale figure. I have a handful. You can see a few of them back here. Black Widow, Captain America, Iron Man, and Thor. In another room is the Mandalorian and Grogu. And of course, this one is Paul Atreides from Dune. But this one is my favorite, not because I love the movie so much, but because the figure is so exquisite. The only problem when this figure came was that the arm was broken off. I thought it was actually an attachable arm and didn't realize until I was pretty much done with the unpacking process it was broken. But it was a clean break. That was a good thing. And when I contacted Prime One Studios, they said they could make another body, which would take 14 to 16 weeks, or give me store credit of 80 points. And of course, being the patient person I said, I'll fix it myself and take the store credit. But can you bump it up? That doesn't sound like a lot of points to me. And so they bumped it out to 90, and I should have kept bargaining a little bit more, but it wouldn't have mattered in the end, and I'll explain that in a second. But with the statue, you get a proportion of points for buying the figure outright. So I had 45 points there, 90, 135 points. I thought I would buy a figure that would total with shipping $135 and kind of be done. But that's not how it works. If you are lucky enough to find a figure that adds up to the points that you have to include shipping and handling, they only take a proportion of those points. So you cannot use all the points to get an item free. It doesn't work that way. I did not know. I was pretty naive about the process. So I did have my eye on the Batman, but it was on a wait list. And I thought, well, wait list means never going to see. But apparently wait list means, somebody could cancel, something could become available, or they send out all the orders and there are a few remaining. And so this did become available to me. Basically, the points covered the shipping and handling. So, lesson learned. We're going to pause now, get him back in a safe place, and then I'm going to open this thing, and we're going to see what we have. So we'll be right back. The one thing I really loved with them sending this item is that this box is heavy. It's heavy duty. And in it, they had 8 of these on all 8 corners. So I thought this box is going to be in pristine condition. And for the most part, it is. It was packed upside down. There is only slight damage to the back of the box. And I think you can probably see it right here. And if I turn it, you can see a little crinkling there. All right. Finally. No damage to the front of the box. I'm a happy camper. And I'm just happy to get this item. So this will be my first and probably only bust. I don't know. I don't want to get hooked on too many collections. Although busts are very cool. But this is a larger bust than typical. But anyway, so I can tell it's packed in foam. The foam is showing. And let's see if I don't want to damage anything. Let me see if I can get this. Oh, good. Get this up. All right. Good. So we'll put that gently down. Okay. All right. So all in foam. Wonderful. There's the pamphlet. Sort of like when you get a car. That's why we never get new cars. When you get a car, you're always afraid of getting a scratch on it. That's the pain with collectibles. You're always afraid of hurting it. All right. All right. So it looks like it comes in. Man, you put a lot of these gel bags in here. So this is the head. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and in these circles, for some reason I have rolled up ones. So it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or more. This is very protected. All right. And here's the head. All right. Put that in here. Put it out of the way. Okay. And there we go. Yeah, it weighs a bit. Hoping nothing falls off. That would be wonderful if something was broken and I'd have to get more points. Okay. It looks like nothing is broken. So we are good. All right. Taking his head. Wonderful. Oh, there is a magnet in there. Good. Wow. That's a large bust. All right. All right. Wow. The painting on this thing is very nice. There are little shades of orange, it looks like. Just little faint pieces of orange in his bat suit. On the back, it's more brown. On the side, more hues of brown, but we'll get it on a turn tray. But this is the Robert Pattinson, the Batman bust by Prime One Studio in conjunction with Blitzway. So here he is. There is no the Batman on the bust. It's just a bat symbol, which is replicated up here. But the painting on the statue is, again, exquisite. So we'll just go slowly around so you can see him from various angles. Very much metal look in the back and on the sides. but those eyes, they just stand out wonderfully. So we'll pause and get a tighter close-up of him and do another 360. So here he is, and we'll just do a 360 at this distance. There you go. Just gonna go side to side here. And I think we'll do one really big close-up of his face. The facial features and the painting is just so awesome. I thought it was appropriate to get even a closer, tight shot. Absolutely amazing. So this is a 1/3 scale Museum Masterline statue or bust of Robert Pattinson portraying the Batman. It was sold by Prime One Studio in conjunction with Blitzway. I hope you've liked what you've seen. If you have, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. In the meantime, everyone, please have a great day.